An airplane cleaner was tidying up the pilot's cockpit when he noticed a book titled How to Fly an Airplane for Beginners, Book 1. Curious, he flipped open to the first page, which instructed him to start the engine by pressing the red button. He followed the instruction, and the engine roared to life. Delighted, he turned to the next page, which read, To get the airplane moving, press the blue button. He pressed it, and the plane surged forward at incredible speed. Excited to keep going, he turned to the third page, which said, To make the plane fly, press the green button. He did so, and the airplane lifted off. Thrilled, he flew for about 20 minutes, then decided it was time to land. He turned to the fourth page, which read, To learn how to land the plane, please purchase Book 2 at the nearest bookstore.